This video shows how to do the commissioning of the CMMT-AS Festo controller. Learn how to connect the hardware in this video. Connecting hardware. Connect the hardware with the appropriate cables as shown. Earth to CMMT-AS via earth cable. By default, the internal braking resistor is pre-connected to the CMMT-AS X9B connector. Note: if an external braking resistor is used, disconnect the internal braking resistor and connect the external braking resistor to the X9B connector via cables. Safety module and higher order controller IOs to CMMT-AS X1A connector via cables. Higher order controller to CMMT-AS XF1 and via Ethernet cable. CMMT-AS XF2 out port 2, further slave via Ethernet cable. Note: use this connection only if further slaves are to be integrated into the fieldbus network. For single-phase drive. Logic and load power supply to CMMT-AS X9A connector via cables. Note: if three-phase drive is used, logic power supply to CMMT-AS X9C connector via cables. Load voltage to CMMT-AS X9A connector via cable. PC to CMMT-AS X18 port via network cable. Master or slave coupling to CMMT-AS X10 port via master or slave coupling cable. Note: use this connection only when the drive must operate as a master or slave. The X10 interface can be configured as master or slave in Festo Automation Suite. Secondary encoder to CMMT-AS X3 connector via secondary encoder cable. Note: use this connection only if secondary encoder is used. If an encoder with INDAT 2.1 or INDAT 2.2 protocol is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. If an encoder with hyperface protocol is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. If an analog sine cos incremental encoder is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. If an incremental encoder is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. Access IOs to CMMT-AS X1C connector via cables. Motor brake to CMMT-AS X6B port via motor cable. Motor power to CMMT-AS X6A port via motor cable. Motor encoder to CMMT-AS X2 port via motor cable. If an encoder with INDAT 2.1, INDAT 2.2 or BISSC protocol is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. If an encoder with hyperface protocol is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. If an analog sine cos incremental encoder is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. If an incremental encoder is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. If an encoder with asynchronous communication interface is used, here are the pinout details for the connection. Note: fit the motor cable shield to the shield clamp as shown in the right-hand side picture. Do not squeeze the motor cable in the clamp. Note: if the operator unit is used, remove the blind plate before mounting it. Remove the blind plate or operator unit to set the fieldbus either using the DIL switch or during the parameterization of the drive using the Festo Automation Suite. Now the hardware is connected.
you.